Top 5 most common mistakes accounting students make and how to avoid them. Alright, be honest. Have you ever looked at a balance sheet, felt super confident, and then it doesn't tally? Or maybe you rush through a problem thinking you've aced it, only to find silly mistakes later? Trust me, you're not alone. Most accounting students make the same common mistakes, and today let's understand how to fix these mistakes. Mistake 1. Rushing through problems trying to finish fast. That's where mistakes happen. Misplaced numbers, calculation errors, and an unbalanced balance sheet. The fix. Take a deep breath and slow down. Accuracy matters more than speed. Always double check your work, especially in final account. And if your balance sheet isn't matching, don't just tweak numbers to make it work. Go back, find the mistake, and fix it the right way. Mistake 2. Ignoring. Narrations in journal entries. Imagine writing a perfect journal entry, only to lose marks because you forgot a tiny explanation under it. Sounds unfair, right? But examiners look for narrations. They explain the reason behind each entry and make your answers more professional. The fix. Get into the habit of writing narrations every time you practice. Make it second nature so that when you're in the exam, it comes naturally. Trust me, this small step can save you valuable marks. Now, mistake number 3. Bad exam techniques. Let's be real, exams aren't just about what you know, but how you present it. Sloppy handwriting, unorganized answers, and mixing rough work with actual solutions? Boom, marks gone just like that. The fix. Use a pencil and scale to keep your tables neat. Makes a big difference. Keep working notes separate from rough work. Remember, working notes count, rough work doesn't. Proper headings and a clean layout can make your answers way easier to read and grade. A well-organized answer always leaves a good impression. Small changes like these can make a huge difference in your score. So, if you're finding these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more exam hacks and study tips. Mistake 4. Skipping sub-questions. The simple mistake can cost you marks, missing small sub-parts of a question. Ever solved a big question and then realized you forgot a tiny section? Yep, it happens a lot. The fix. Keep all parts of a question together. It makes your answers look organized. And if you're unsure about a practical question, just leave some space and come back later. No need to mix things up. Mistake 5. Skipping practical questions until the end. This one's tricky, leaving all practical questions for the end. I get it, theory feels easier to tackle first, but the real marks comes from solving problems. The fix. Plan your time well. Don't leave all the practical questions for the last minute. It'll just add stress. Try solving them with a timer while practicing so you're ready for the real exam. Which mistake have you made before? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. And if this helped, check out our next video, How to Study Accounting the Right Way.